Strong communication is key to building effective collaboration within teams, but identifying candidates with the right skills can be a challenge. English Pro helps you assess candidates' communication skills, providing accurate insights to ensure you hire individuals who can seamlessly collaborate within your team and excel in roles requiring strong communication. Let's explore how VCP's English Pro sets the standard for excellence. This tool enables you to assess a candidate's skills in speaking, listening, writing, reading, and professional communication. Each question evaluates crucial aspects of English communication, such as comprehension, vocabulary, understanding, grammar, critical thinking, and more. To save time and ensure unbiased results, you can enable AI scoring. Finally, send out the test invitations to your candidates. Now let's take a look at a candidate's report generated through English Pro, showcasing their performance and communication skills. The performance section offers a snapshot of the candidate's test performance. The percentile section shows the candidate's standing among all test takers. The skills section outlines the candidate's evaluated skill sets with a detailed breakdown and graphical representation of their performance. The communication section provides an in-depth overview of the candidate's specific English communication skills. Our AI, powered by large language models, assesses English communication skills more extensively than traditional rule-based systems, understanding context, reducing bias, and enabling dynamic interactions. These models can be tailored to organizational needs and offer personalized feedback. Each communication skill type is scored using our AI grading system, ranging from basic to native. We also provide an equivalent CEFR score for English that aligns with international standards. For English listening skills, the AI evaluates comprehension, understanding of language, idiomatic expressions, context understanding even in fast-paced or technical conversations, and other factors. For reading, the AI assesses communication, engagement, fluency, grammar, pronunciation to determine the scores of the candidates. When evaluating speaking skills, our AI considers factors such as fluency, grammar, pronunciation, communication, and engagement. This candidate, for instance, demonstrates fluency in English speaking and good pronunciation. However, they could improve their grammar. For writing skills, our AI checks clarity, grammar, persuasiveness, spelling, tone, and structure. This candidate has scored highly in English writing, with some room for improvement in the persuasiveness of their content. You can also view the time taken to complete the test, any proctoring violations, candidate details, and a question-wise analysis of all the candidates' answers. English Pro offers a robust and efficient method for evaluating a candidate's English proficiency using AI. By automatically analyzing video responses across multiple parameters, we ensure an objective and thorough assessment. This saves time and provides detailed insights into each candidate's communication abilities, aiding organizations in making informed hiring decisions. VCP's English Pro helps you find candidates who excel in communication, ensuring they collaborate seamlessly within teams and build strong connections with customers.